These fast and processed foods are enemy of your skin. They cause dehydration and nutrient imbalance, leading to a lot of skin problems. So to maintain hydration status and balance your nutrient intake, you must have to consume some healthy skin foods, which would give you fresh and healthier skin free of all the skin problems. Watermelon have 92% water, and that simply means soft and hydrated skin. Vitamin A and C in watermelon with an antioxidant lycopene greatly improve your skin health and texture. There is nothing better than daily vitamin C intake, but fruits like lychee, orange and guava makes it possible. High amount of vitamin C in them hydrate your skin and fight against the wrinkles, discoloration and sun damage, giving you brightened and radiant face skin. Something special about pineapple is that they are excellent option for acne-prone skins. It contains natural exfoliant enzyme bromelain, which remove the dead skin cells. Their antioxidants regulate the sebum production, and vitamin C in them lighten the acne scars. Avocados should be eaten because they prevent from skin damage. This is because of dietary fiber, some vitamins and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Pomegranates are extremely effective for people with acne. They target the acne-causing bacteria, carrying good amount of vitamin K, C and folate. They also bright, soothe and protect the skin, and that all makes it highly nutritious fruit for skin. So instead of calories and sugar-dense processed foods, consume these type of foods to achieve clear and maintained skin.